A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, we already completed this chapter who did Patrick's homework. Now today we are going to do the MCQs of this chapter. So I'm going to tell you the MCQs and the answer of the MCQs. After that I send it to you through WhatsApp. So what you need to do is you have to note it down in your class for copies and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp group so that I just checked out whether you are doing your work or not. So students, now I am going to tell you about the MCQs. The MCQs of the chapter number 1. It's who did Patrick's homework? So the first question, Patrick's never did his homework because why did Patrick never do his homework? Because there are 4 options. He loved to watch TV, he enjoyed parties, he hated homework, he was lazy. What is the answer, students? The answer is what? He hated homework. Then the next one. Ignoramus is a person who the options are is popular, lacks education, no literature, is arrogant. The answer is lacks education. Third, when the cat was playing with the doll, Patrick options are picked it hard, grabbed the doll away, start shouting, gave her milk. What did he do? He grabbed the doll away. Yes, so these are the MCQs. We already done the 3 MCQs, now the 4th one. Little man face wrinkle like a dishcloth show his emotions. The options are of anger, of fear, of love, of hatred. So the answer is of anger. The 5th one. The elf granted a wish. What? The options are to show its power, to keep his promise, in return for his protection, to make him rich against the cat. What's the answer, students? In return for his protection. The 6th one. The elf was helpless and needed rest. The elf was helpless and needed what? Rest, educational help, practice before working, money. That means the first option is rest, the second option is educational help, the third one is a practice before working, the fourth option is money. The answer is educational help. The question number 7. The phrase verb staying up nights means the phrase verb staying up nights means what? It means the options are he stayed at night, remained awake at night, living up nights, night stay. The answer is remained awake at night. The 8th one. Finally the elf slipped out. The options are as he had become tired, as there was no more homework, as he wished to avoid Patrick, as his sleeper pinched him. So what is the answer? The answer is as there was no more homework. And then moving forward to the 9th question. The writer emphasized what? Options are parents should help their children, work is worship, students should be model kids, students should watch Discovery channels. The answer is Maybe some of you know the answer of this one. Students should be model kids. The 10th one. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with what? Ball, doll, basket, lid. The answer is doll. Number of days was there in the semester? In semester, how many days are there? Some of you students know that one semester having 35 days. So the answer is 35 days. And the options are 20 days, 30 days, 35 and 40 days. So the answer is 35 days. Question number 12. Promise was given by to Patrick. Who given a promise to Patrick? Thin, fairy, tall man, fat man. Fairy. Patrick played the game instead of doing homework. Patrick played the game instead of doing homework. Which one game is going to play? Hockey and basketball, video game, football, cricket, chess. The answer is hockey and basketball video game. And his dress was what? Out of fashion, fashionable, black, white. His dress was out of fashion. According to the passage, what's hat is? Hat kiska tha? Small, broad, woolen, high. Broad. The little elf was doing Patrick homework because little elf was doing Patrick's homework. Why? He liked it or he wanted to learn. It was the part of an agreement. It was what if which had asked him to do. So what was the answer? It was the part of an agreement. Agreement kiya tha na? All of you know that the story of the little elf. So it was the part of an agreement. The elf asked for Patrick help because why he asked for help? Because options are Patrick knew everything. This was an agreement. The elf wanted to trouble him. The elf really needed. So the answer is the elf really needed. The next one. The elf did all the homework so Patrick what? Also least, didn't learn anything, was idle, was very happy. The answer is also least. The word glitch in the passage means what? Great difficulty, small problem, point, situation. The answer of is that some of you know that the meaning of glitch, small problem. There is a glitch, bolte na, small problem. Patrick got his A's, his classmates were amazed, his teachers smiled and were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered that had happened to Patrick. Was a now model kid. A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, now we are in the chapter who did Patrick's homework. So again we are in the same chapter. I already talked about with you regarding the MCQs of this chapter. Now again we do some MCQs related to this chapter. So the question is Patrick's made his classmate amazed because there are four options. Patrick hadn't worked hard. Patrick was a dull boy. Patrick had copied. They never expected it. So the answer is what? They never expected it. The second one, the teachers were happy and full of praise because options are Patrick had done so well. They were friends of Patrick family. They were hopeful of Patrick brilliant success. They knew what the elf had done. So the answer is Patrick had done so well. What had happened after going to a elf? What had happened? Patrick doing his work his own. Yes, all of you know that. The parents wondered at what? Options are Patrick A's, his teacher praise. A's Patrick A's means whenever Patrick doing his work with himself, after that he is getting a A. A means very good in the subject. So he is getting A's in each and every subject. So the parent wondered at Patrick A's, his teacher praise, the change in Patrick, the amazing in his classmate. What? The change in Patrick. जो changes आए थे. What had changes has to become in Patrick's. So the next one, Patrick become a model kid because of whom? किसके कारण? Patrick became a model kid because of the elf, his own hard work, his teacher, his parent. So the answer is his own hard work. His own hard work. And the next one, the word which means the opposite of model is. Model का opposite. The opposite of model is what? Modern, ancient, bad or flawed. The answer is flawed. Then again we are going to do the MCQs of the same chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? This one is the first chapter of your book. Patrick never did his homework because the options are he loved to watch TV, he enjoyed parties, he hated homework, he was lazy. The answer is he hated homework. Then the next one. Ignoramus is a person who options are is popular, lacks education, no literature, is arrogant. The answer is lacks education. Question number 3. When the cat was playing with doll Patrick, the options are picked it hard, grabbed the doll away, started shouting, gave her milk. So what Patrick has done? Patrick grabbed the doll away. The fourth one, the little man face wrinkled like a dishcloth shows his emotions in what way? The options are of anger, of fear, of love, of hatred. The answer is of anger. Question number 5. The elf grant a wish. Elf given a wish to the Patrick to show its power, to keep his promise in return of his protection, to make him rich against the cat. So maybe all of you know the answer of this one. In return of his protection. क्योंकि Patrick protected a little elf through a cat. That's why. So in return of his protection. The elf was helpless and needed. Elf helpless था ना, whenever he is not be able to find out the meaning of some words and he is getting difficulty in maths questions. What he want? He needed rest, educational help, practice before working, money, educational help. All of you know that. The phrasal verb staying up nights means what? He stayed at night. Option 1. Option 2, remained awake at night, living up nights, and night stay. So the answer is remained awake at night. Question number 8. Finally, the elf slipped out as he had become tired. As he become tired. So the options are finally the elf slipped out. Options are as he had become tired, or as there was no more homework. The third one, as he wished to avoid Patrick. The fourth one, as his sleeper pinched him. Anyone of you know the answer? As there was no more homework, because he already finished all the homework. The little elf finish all the homework. That's why the writer emphasized that the writer emphasized what? Parents should help their children's or work is workshop. Students should be model kids. Students should watch Discovery channels. Which one is the answer? Any one of you? Students should be model kid. The 10th one. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with. All of you, I think all of you know the answer of this one, I believe. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with ball, doll, basket, or lid. I think I know that all the students know the answer of this one. Doll. Number of days was there in semester. How many days are there in semester? The options are 20 days, 30 days, 35 days, and 40 days. So the answer is 35 days. Then the next one. Promise was given by to Patrick to whom? Promise was given by to Patrick. Patrick को जो promise किया था वो किसने किया था? Thin, fairy, tall man, fat man. That one is a fairy. So the answer is fairy. Patrick played the games instead of doing homework. Which game Patrick is playing? If you find it out whenever you are going to read the chapter, uh, there are already written that hockey and basketball, video games, football, cricket, chess. The answer is hockey and basketball, video games. Then the 15th one. The homework of Patrick was done by whom? Patrick, Tinny Man, cat, nobody. The answer is Tinny Man is going to help him. He who yelled was a person, an elf, a cat, or a doll. An elf. He yelled because he feared to whom? Patrick, a doll, a cat, or a man. The answer is a cat. And his dress was out of fashion. Whose dress? The elf. His dress was out of fashion. His dress was out of fashion, fashionable, black, white. All of you know that the answer is out of fashion. According to the passage, which hat is what? Hat is small, broad, woolen, high. Broad. The hat is broad. The little elf was doing Patrick's homework because he liked it. He wanted to learn. It was the part of an agreement. It was what a witch had asked him to do. The answer is what? The C part. It was the part of an agreement. The next one. The elf asked to Patrick help because the elf asked for Patrick help because the options are Patrick knew everything. This was an agreement. The elf wanted to trouble him. The elf really needed it because at the time of doing his homework of maths and English, he is getting some difficulty on that subject. Yes. So what? Which one is the answer? The elf really needed it. The elf did all the homework and so Patrick what? Also list, didn't learn anything, was idle, was very happy. Also least. The word glitch in the passage means, all of you know the meaning of the glitch is great difficulty, small problem, point, situation. Small problem. Patrick is made his classmate amazed because Patrick, after some time, what had happened whenever the elf is going to help the Patrick, what had happened after doing a work, Patrick get A in each and every subject grades. So what had happened? His classmate amazed because Patrick hadn't worked hard. Patrick was a dull boy. Patrick had copied. They never expected it. What? They never expected it. The teacher were happy and full of praise because teachers are happy after doing a work through a Patrick side. Why? Patrick has done so well. They were friend of Patrick family. They were hope of Patrick brilliant success. They knew what the elf has done. The answer is Patrick had done so well. 26th question. The at parent wondered at what? Patrick's A, his teacher's praise, the change in Patrick, the amazement of his classmate, the change in Patrick, because they find out that after some before few weeks, what had happened, they seen that some changes has been done in Patrick. So the parents are wondered at that particular time period. Yes. Patrick become a model of kid because of why he become a model of kids? Because of the options are the elf, his own hard work, his teacher, his parent. Because he become a model of kid because of his own hard work. The word which means opposite of model is the opposite of model is what? Modern, Asian, bad, flawn. Flawn. Flawed is the opposite of model. So these are the MCQs of the chapter who did Patrick's homework. So these are the MCQs. What you need to do is you have to note it down these all MCQs in your classwork copy, and after that you have to learn it, because without writing in your copies you can't be able to learn it out, because it's very hard. Some of you, I know some of you who all are attending the videos, who are watching the videos, they know the answer of each and every question because I already explained you the chapter. So all of you know the meaning of the sentences as well as the answers of the questions, but it's very hard. But it's very hard to learn without writing in your copies. So what you need to do is you have to write it down in your copies and learn it out, right? So these are the some MCQs which you need to note it down in your copies. I send it to you through WhatsApp in your classwork notebook in your class group. So you also have to note it down in your copies. And I request you, all of you, if you're not going to note it down in your copies, it's very hard for you to memorize all the answers, because some of you know the answers of these questions, but after all, revision is compulsory. Yes? So that's all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, now we already completed the chapter as well as summary of the chapter as well as the question and answers of the chapter. Now we are going to do the fill in the blank MCQs as well. MCQs we already done MCQs. What you need to do is you have to note down all the MCQs in your copy. Right, I'm sending you the MCQs as well through WhatsApp in your class group. So you need to note it down in your classwork copies. All of you have to do these MCQs in your classwork copies. Yes. So now we are going to learn the fill in the blanks Question number, fill in the blanks in the sentences below with the words or phrase from the box. That means all the in the boxes, all of we already given some phrase or words. You may not know the meaning of all the words. Look such word up in a dictionary as you or ask your teacher. You can ask with your teacher as well, right? So the words are out of luck, mystery, true to his word, chores, chorus, look up, between you and me, semester. So these are the words. You have to find it out in your fill in the blanks. You need to write down the fill in the blanks as well. So the fill in the blanks are like this. Some people find household blank a bore, but I like to help at home. Means some people find household what? Chores. A bore, but I like to help at home. Right? So this one is the answer of this question. Then moving forward to the next question. Next fill in the blanks. The next fill in the blanks is who stolen the diamond is still a mystery, right? Who stole the diamond is still a mystery. The third one, this dash we are going to have a class exhibition. This dash we are going to have a class exhibition. So in the fill in the blanks you have to write semester. This semester we are going to have a class exhibition. So once again I am going to repeat it from the first one. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at home. The second one, who stole the diamond is still a mystery. Third one, this semester we are going to have a class exhibition. This semester we are going to have a class exhibition. True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Then the fifth one, can you look up this word in the dictionary? Can you look up this word in the dictionary? It happens when we don't know the meaning of the words. What we are going to do, we can tell to someone, can you look up this word in the dictionary? Then the sixth one, I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. I was out of luck. That's why I haven't reached on time. So the sixth one, I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. The seventh one, she says she got a lot of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are bored. So once again, we are going to repeat the 7 fill in the blanks. You need to note it down in your classwork copies as well as you have to memorize it. We already done the question answers as well as the MCQs. Students, what you need to do is you have to write down these MCQs in your classwork copies, in your classwork copies, so that you memorize it. But a part of the question answer, it's up to you. If you don't want to write it down, no issue, but you can write the MCQs. MCQs are compulsory. You have to write it down in your copies so that you can memorize it easily, because without writing in a notebook you can't be able to memorize it. So I request to you all the students, please note it down MCQs in your class for copies, so that whenever I'm going to give these type of MCQs in your examination, you are able to give the answer of those MCQs. So now again we are going to repeat the fill in the blanks once again. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at home. Who stole the diamond is still a mystery. This semester, third fill in the blanks. This semester, SEMESTER, this semester we are going to have a class exhibition. True to his words, the elf began to help Patrick. True to his words, because he already promised with the Patrick. So that's why elf going to begin to help Patrick, right? True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Can you look up this word in the dictionary? Can you look up? Please find it out, the word in the dictionary. Means, can you look up this word in the dictionary? 6. I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. Out of luck means I'm not lucky at that particular time period whenever I started, because I started my work on time, but I was unlucky because there was a traffic jam, because I don't know about that whenever the traffic jam is going on. So maybe it happens on that time, maybe it not. So that one is my bad luck. That means out of luck. 7th one. She says she got a lot of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are bored. So these are the fill in the blanks of your chapter Who Do Patrick's Homework. So once again we are going to repeat the fill in the blanks. Now what you need to do is you have to note it down. If you have done in your class for copies, no need to write the fill in the blanks, but MCQs are compulsory. You can note it down in your class for copies. The fill in the blanks are like this. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at home. Second one, who stole the diamond is still a mystery. Third, this semester we are going to have a class exhibition. Fourth one, true to his words, the elf began to help Patrick. Fifth, can you look up this word in the dictionary? Then the sixth one, I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. She says she got a lot of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are bored. So these are the fill in the blanks which you need to note it down. If you not note it down in your copies, you have to note it down. If you have done, then it's okay, doesn't matter, no need to note it down in your copies, but make sure all of you have write down the MCQs in your classwork copies. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, take care of yourself.